A blessed day, everyone. Our devotion for today is found from the book of Joshua, the sixth book of the Old Testament, chapter 15, the allotment of Judah, from verse 1 to 13. The allotment for the tribes of the people of Judah according to their clans reached southward to the boundary of Edom, to the wilderness of Zin at the farthest south, and their south boundary ran from the end of the Salt Sea, from the bay that faces southward. It goes out southward of the ascent of Akrabim, passes along to Sin, and goes up south of Kadesh Barnea, along by Hezron, up to Adar, turn about to Karka, passes along to Asmon, goes out by the brook of Egypt, and comes to its end at the sea. This shall be your south boundary, and the east boundary is the Salt Sea, to the mouth of the Jordan. And the boundary on the north side runs from the bay of the sea at the mouth of the Jordan. And the boundary goes up to Beth Hogla, and passes along north of Beth Araba, and the boundary goes up to the stone of Bohan, the son of Reuben. And the boundary goes up to the Beer from the valley of Achor, and so northward, turning towards Gilgal, which is opposite the ascent of Adumim, which is on the south side of the valley. And the boundary passes along to the waters of En Shemesh and ends at En Rogel. Then the boundary goes up by the valley of the son of Hisnom at the southern shoulder of the Jebusite, that is Jerusalem. And the boundary goes up to the top of the mountain that lies over against the valley of Hinnom on the west, at the northern end of the valley of Rephaim. Then the boundary extends from the top of the mountain to the spring of the waters of Nephtoah, and from there to the cities of Mount Ekron. Then the boundary bends around to Baalah, that is Kiriath Jearim. And the boundary circles west of Baalah to Mount Seir, passes along to the northern shoulder of Mount Jearim, that is Chesalon, and goes down to Beth Shemesh and passes along by Timnah. The boundary goes out to the shoulder of the hill north of Ekron. Then the boundary bends around to Shikeron and passes along to Mount Baalah and goes out to Jabneel. Then the boundary comes to an end at the sea. And the west boundary was the great sea with its coastline. This is the boundary around the people of Judah according to their clans. According to the commandments of the Lord to Joshua, he gave to Caleb, the son of Jephunneh, a portion among the people of Judah, Kiriath Arba, that is Hebron. Arba was the father of Anak. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.
Good evening, everyone. My devotion for today is from Joshua chapter 15, verse 14 to 26. From Hebron, Caleb drove out the 3 Anakites, Sheshai, Ahiman, and Talmai, the sons of Anak. From there, he marched against the people living in Debir, formerly called Kiriath Sheper. And Caleb said, I will give my daughter Aksa in marriage to the man who attacks and captures Kiriath Sefer. Othniel, son of Kenaz, Caleb's brother, took it. So Caleb gave his daughter Achsah to him in marriage. One day, when she came to Othniel, she urged him to ask her father for a field. When she got off her donkey, Caleb asked her, "What can I do for you?" She replied, "Do me a special favor. Since you have given me land in the Negev, give me also springs of water." So Caleb gave her the upper and lower springs. This is the inheritance of the tribe of Judah, according to its clans. The southernmost towns of the tribe of Judah in the Negev toward the boundary of Edom were Kabzeel Eder, Jagur, Kina, Dimona, Ada, Kedesh Hazor, Itnan, Zip, Telem, Bilot, Hazor Hadata, Kiriot, Hezron, Amam, Shema, Molada. The word of the God. Amen.
Good day everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Joshua chapter 15 verse 27 to 39. Allotment for Judah. Hazar Gada, Hesmon, Bet Pelet, Hazar Shual, Beersheba, Bishutia, Baala, Lim, Bezem, El Tolad, Kesil, Horma, Siklag, Madmana, Sansana, Lebot, Shilhim, Ain, and Rimon, a total of 21 towns and their villages. In the western foothills, Estaol, Zora, Asna, Sanoa, and Ganim, Tapua, Enam, Jarmut, Adulam, Soko, Azeka, Sha'araim, Adidaim, and Jereda or Jederotaim, 14 towns and their villages. Senam, Hadasha, Mitgalgad, Tilim, Mispa, Joktel, Lashir, Boskat, Eglon. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. Our reading for today is from the book of Joshua, chapter 15. The allotment for Judah. I'll be reading from verse 40 to 51. Here is the scriptures. Kabon, Lamam, Chitlesh, Gideroth, Beth Dagon, Naamah, and Makkedah. 16 cities with their villages. Libnah, Ether, Ashan, Ibtah, Asna, Nijib, Keilah, Ajib, and Marishan. 9 cities with their villages. Ekron, with its towns and villages. From Ekron to the sea, all that were by the side of Asdod, with their villages. Asdod, its towns and its villages. Gaza, its towns and its villages. To the brook of Egypt, and the great sea with its coastline. And in the hill country. Shamir, Jatir, Soko, Dana, Kiriath Sana, that is Dibir. Anab, Istimo, Anim, Gushin, Holon, and Gilo, 11 cities with their villages. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Joshua, chapter 15, verses 52 to 63. Arab, Duma, Eshan, Janim, Beth, Tapua, Apekah, Hamta, Kiriath Arba, that is Hebron, and Zayor, 9 towns and their villages. Maon, Carmel, Zep, Juta, Jizreel, Jokdeam, Zanoah, Cain, Gibeah, and Timnaten, 10 towns and their villages. Halhul, Beth Zur, Gedor, Maarath, Beth Anot, and Eltekon, 6 towns and their villages. Kiryat Baal, this is a Kiryat Jearim, and Rabbah, 2 towns and their villages. In the desert, Beth Araba, Midin, Sekaka, Nibshan, the city of salt, and En-gedi, 6 towns and their villages. Judah could not dislodge the Jebusites who were living in Jerusalem. To this day, the Jebusites live there with the people of Judah. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.